Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this square ABCD. This square consists of this green shaded square EBTP, the blue rectangle PTCF, and finally this blue rectangle AEFD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this rectangle PTCF has been given to us as 18 centimeter square, whereas the area of this other rectangle AEFD is 42 centimeter square. And bear in mind once again that ABCD is a square. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded square EBTP. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this green shaded square EBTP. We know this is a square, so all these side lengths of this square are going to be equal. If I label this side length as lowercase a, then this side length is going to be lowercase a, and lowercase a across the board. And now let's focus on this big blue square ABCD. And since we are dealing with the square, so this side is going to be equal to this side. I'm going to label this AB side as lowercase b. Then this BC side is going to be lowercase b as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this remaining segment AE length is going to be B minus A. So I can write this one as B minus A. And likewise on this side, this segment CT is going to be B minus A. So I can write this one as B minus A. So thus we could see that this AE segment is B minus A, and likewise this segment CT is B minus A as well. So therefore we conclude that this AE segment has got to be congruent to this segment CT. And here's our next step. We are going to focus on these two yellow shaded rectangles PTCF and this other yellow shaded rectangle AEFD. And we can see one of their side lengths. This side length is same as this side length. So therefore there has got to be a relationship between this side AD and this side CF. We know the area of this rectangle is 42 centimeter square. So therefore this side length could be written as 42 times some constant k. And likewise for this rectangle PTCF, its area is 18. So therefore this side CF could be written as 18 times some constant k as well. And now our task is to find the value of this constant k. And now let's make an observation. We know this side is 18 times k. So therefore this side has got to be 18 times k as well. So therefore this side is going to be 18 times k as well. And since we are dealing with this green shaded square, so this side EB has got to be equal to this side BT. If this side is 18 times k, then this side has got to be 18 times k as well. And furthermore, this whole side BC length has got to be this side AD length. We know this side length is 42 times k. So therefore this side is going to be 42 times k as well. So therefore we could see that this segment CT length has got to be 42k minus this side length 18k. If we subtract that one, that is going to give us 24 times k. So therefore this side CT length turns out to be 24k. And now we are going to focus on this blue shaded rectangle PTCF, whose dimensions are 18k and 24k, and the area is 18. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula. Area is always equal to the length times the width of the rectangle. And once again, our dimensions are 18k and 24k, and the area is 18. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So our area is 18 is going to be equal to our dimensions are 18 times k, and the other dimension is 24 times k. And here I'm going to divide both sides by 18. And here we can see this 18 and 18 is gone. Likewise, this 18 and 18 is gone as well. So therefore, we are ended up with 24 times k is going to give us k square is going to be equal to 1. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 24. So therefore, we are going to get k square value as simply 1 divided by 24. So thus our k square value simply turns out to be 1 divided by 24. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded square EBTP. And now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area is always equal to s square. And in our case, our side length s value is 18 times k. So therefore, this green shaded square area is going to be simply 18 times k, which is the side length of this green square, and we are going to square it. And we know 18 square is going to be 324 times k square. And now we know our k square value has been given as 1 divided by 24. So I'm going to substitute that k square value as 1 divided by 24 over here. So therefore we could write 324 times 1 divided by 24. And if we simplify, that is going to give us simply 13.5 centimeter square, the area of this green shaded square. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded square turns out to be 13.5 centimeter square. In other words, the area of this green shaded square is going to be equal to 13.5 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.